So here we are with our Vlog 3 RTK Pro. I'm going to explain how we go through and use our features menu here. So we've already shown how we can change them, load them into our receiver, and make changes to that. So what I will do now is I will go and push and hold the I button. I use the minus button to start at the bottom, scroll through. So here I've got two different options. I've got my auto log features and I've got my log feature. Two will do two different things. Every time I go ahead and do a survey in my RTK Pro, I want to make sure I go and start a new survey. So I'll say yes, I want to start a new survey. I'll decide what that's going to be, and what I'm going to be surveying next will be electric. So I'm going to push enter. So my new survey has started. So now what I can do is go through and decide how I want to take those points. Do I just want to take it as an electrical survey and have them show up red? Or do I want to have each feature called something different, each point called something different? If I want to label each point along the way, I can go in and say auto log enabled. And then when I go through and do my points, I can select what I want to do. So we'll go back to our main screen. So if I push the I button, right now I've got selected gas main. I don't want that because I just said I'm doing an electrical survey. So I'm going to scroll through, and what I'm actually going to be doing is a power primary. I'm going to hit the enter button. Now every log that I take going forward will say power primary. So let's say I want to go through and log something separate. I've done my locate of my power primary. Now I want to go back and log things like, let's say, a pole. I can go into my menu, turn off my auto log features. I can now scroll up to log feature, push and hold my F button, get to where I say, let's say this one's an electric pole, hit enter. Now I'm going to take that point of the electrical pole. That will store that as a separate point. As I go in, now you can see I don't have any regular points. Let's say I wanted to take an offset measurement. I can push and hold that I button, go into my log feature, hold the F, scroll down, go to my offset point. Now the point that I take with this is going to be a singular offset point. I'm not going to connect in line. Unless I wanted to collect a string of lines up, I could do that. But in this case, I'm just going to take one singular offset point. Now I'm going to go outside and show you how to put all this together.